Hello. Let's solve CAT 2024 slot 1 quantitative ability questions. Okay. So there are 22 questions. Let's see one by one. Okay. Now let's see this one. In XY plane, the area in square unit of the region formed by the inequalities this and this, right? Okay. So you see, the inequalities, one is y is more than equal to x plus 4, and the second one is minus 4 less than equal to x square plus y square plus 4 times plus 4x minus 4y less than equal to 0. Now you see, here we can write it as minus 4 less than equals to this one. Let us make it a whole square. Now x plus square plus 4x, we can write it as x plus 2 the whole square. So we will be needing x square plus 4x plus 4. So 4 we have taken extra, right? Now here y square minus 4y, I can write y minus 2 whole square here. Okay. Now here you see, when you wrote x minus plus 2 the whole square, we had x square plus 2ab 4x plus 4 I have taken extra here, y minus 2 the whole square. So y square minus 4y and plus 4. So we have taken extra here 8. Let's add 8 here and here. So basically we have added 8 to the all three expressions, right? Okay, this and this. So basically we got x plus 2 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square is less than equal to 8, which is 2 root 2 the whole square, and is more than equal to minus 4 plus 8, that is 4, 2 square. Basically you see, this will form a ring. It is the this is the portion between two rings, right? Okay. So if you let's see, this is x axis, this is y axis, this is negative x, negative y. Now you see, x plus 2 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square equals to 4 will be a circle. It is more than equal to, that is the area outside this circle. So let's draw this circle. Here center is minus 2 comma 2, center is minus 2 comma 2, somewhere here center is minus 2 comma 2, minus 2 comma 2 is the center, this is center, and the radius is 2, right? So radius is 2, the circle will touch here, right? So this point is minus 2 comma 0, and here it will be 0 comma 2, and this is a circle, right? This is x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equals to 4 is this circle, and we have to keep the point more than equal to 4, that means points outside this circle, right? Here you see, again these are two concentric circles, same center, minus 2 and 2, here radius is 2 root 2, right? Now this is, you see, this is 2, this is 2, you see this length will be the center from the edge will be 2 root 2. So this circle is, this big circle is passing through 0 0, right? So this circle will be like this, it goes like this, it's something like this, okay, fine. This circle is this. Now you see, same center, here radius is 2 root 2, right? 2 root 2, okay. Now if you put see here, if you put in this circle, right, if you put y equal to 0, let's find the point where it's meeting the x axis, you put y equals to 0. So this will be 4, this is 8, so 8 minus 4 is 4, so x plus 2 whole square is 4, so x plus 2 equals to plus minus 2, so one point will be 0, x is 0, that is this point 0 0 0, other will be minus 4, so this point will be minus 4 comma 0, okay, and obviously this point will be 0 comma 4, right, 0 comma 4, okay. You can see here, put x equal to 0, y equals to 4, So 4 plus 4, 8. Okay. Now this is the bigger circle. We have to find the points, I mean the region between these two circles, right. So we have to find this. This is the region, right, between the two circles. And now, so we have to find the region defined by this inequality in the first one. Now let's see first one. So if first one is x, let's bring y that side, x minus y plus 4 less than equal to 0. Okay. So this is the region on the one side of the straight line. So straight line x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. Let's draw that straight line, x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. Let's draw this straight line. You see, if y is 0, x is minus 4. So this straight line is also passing through this point minus 4 comma 0, and when when x is 0, y is 4, right, and it's passing through 0 comma 4, 0 comma 4 and minus 4 comma 0, and it is also passing through the center, but it is minus 2 2, right. So if you put x is c minus 2 and minus 2, minus 4 plus 4 0, right. So this line is passing through this point, the center of the circles, and this point. So basically it is like this. Okay. Okay, this is straight line. Now we have to find the region, area of the region formed between these two, I mean between formed by inequalities this and this, right. So this is the area between the two circles, and let's say this line, which part of the line, this part or that part, both will be equal actually. Now you see, if you put 0 0, let's say 0 0, if you put 0 minus 0, 0 plus 4, 4 less than equal to 0, it does not satisfy, 0 0 is not satisfying. So we have to find the it will be a region opposite to the side of the 0 0, right. So this side, right. So basically we have to keep this side of the line. So basically we have to find the area of this part, right, this ring, which is half of the total ring, right. So basically you have to find area of this part. Okay. So half of the ring, right, half of the ring. Okay. We could have solved this question without also drawing, because you see this is the, you can get it, this is the concentric circles, and if you see it is passing through the center, this line. So it will be one side of the, like line. So half of the ring, right, because passing through center, this line will be the diameter, right. Okay. So we have half of the ring. So without drawing also we can solve, right. Okay. So the answer is half of this ring. So which is half of this ring, and this ring will be the area of the big circle minus area of the small circle, right, which is pi 2 root 2 the whole square minus pi 2 square, right. So which is equal to, this is 8 pi minus 4 pi, that is 4 pi, half of 4 pi. So answer will be 2 pi. So answer is 2 pi for the 2 pi for this, which is option 2. I hope this is clear. Okay. This was little lengthy question if someone is not have not practiced like this kind of questions. Okay.